Hi friends, only a good selected theme can make your website successful. And if you have decided to make a website for kindergartens and preschools, this video is for you. I have a very wonderful theme called Skole in this video, and we are going to install Skole WordPress theme. In this video, we will also import the demo content and preview the theme options and customizations options as well. So Skole as a visually impressive, amusing and vibrant feature-rich Elementor based WordPress theme, and this theme has been dedicatedly made for kindergarten, schools and preschools. The theme has been developed by Vantam and they are Power Elite authors. The theme was actually developed in 2020 only. This is a new theme that is hardly 1 year old, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done, and the Vantam developers are well known for their code quality and they actually make very good theme and their code quality is wonderful. This is why this theme has been selected to be on this channel, because WP Themes channel always brings hand-picked and well-tested themes for you. This is a Skole, and a Skole is niche WordPress Elementor theme for preschool and kindergartens, and theme is ideal for child care centers, play schools, nursery, daycare centers, art and craft training institutes and other education and children related websites. You don't need any programming skill for using this theme, and it is very easy to install and customize. I will show you in this video. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the default WordPress theme 2021 is installed in the latest version of WordPress, that is the version 5.7 of WordPress, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have licensing, Readme text, Skole theme main theme file and Skole child theme file. For installation we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose a skole.zip file, and if you are having direct access on your server you can upload directly to the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time and I'll also able to show you the theme file size. The theme file size is very less, 11.36 MB, and it is being uploaded, and this is the lightweight theme. The code is fully optimized. This is why it is lightweight, and it comes all the features with all the features, and so both activities of uploading the theme are same. Either you can upload from this WordPress interface, I mean using the upload theme feature, or you can directly upload on the server. I have chosen to upload on the server because it never gets failed. So if you are having direct access on your server, you can follow this path. Otherwise you can use this interface for uploading the theme. Let it be complete, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Skole folder in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one, it is not required now. Go to the theme section again Now we have a Skole as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is a Skole version 4 by Anthem, the ultimate niche virtual WordPress theme for kindergarten and preschools. Activate it now. Upon activation, we got landed on the welcome page of a Skole WordPress theme, and next we need to install the plugins and import demo. So at this stage we will go for installing the necessary plugins. These are the list of plugins which are required for running this theme, and we can choose to install all the required. In fact, only 3 is required here, so we can choose to install all the plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one. And these are the required plugins, others are recommended as well, so you can choose to upload the recommended plugins as well, so it is fine. And we will choose, so this theme also supports the WooCommerce. So if you are in plan for making website for e-commerce activity, you can choose this theme, of course. And other recommended plugins are WP Supercase, Updraft Plus, and F for SSL. It is really simple SSL, and all such things are here. But we will simply install the required plugins, so you can install all the plugins in one go. And I have chosen to install. All plugins has been installed and activated. So now we can proceed to demo content import. And this theme requires Elementor Pro for importing the demo. If we are not using the Elementor Pro, so Pro Elements is to be installed, that needs to be downloaded, and I am downloading this. Link is here, so it is simple. It is being downloaded now. Now we can install the plugins. For installing the plugin, we can use the add new plugin interface, and since we have already downloaded, we can upload directly. And activate the plugin Pro Elements. Now we should be good for importing the demo content. Click on Anthem, import demo content. Now this button is active, and simply click on import, and the import process has been started. And main content imported, image import in progress, 106 remaining, so it is going to take a bit time. It may take up to 5-6 minutes as I assume. So we have to be here on this screen without refreshing or leaving this screen. Just wait until the process gets complete. Meanwhile, I will show you the demo website using the Skole WordPress theme. These are the 2 demos available with the theme, and I'll show you the both. And both the website is really wonderful. This is why I have chosen to feature this theme on the channel, and it is really wonderful. So it had all the features which are required for the preschool or kindergarten school, and it is really having amazing designed according to children interface, it is really good. And this is the another demo, and it is also very wonderful, of course. So you can really choose this theme and you will be happy by using this theme, and it is really very wonderful craft, and design is very interactive, and the inner pages of this theme is also very good, I have seen. So this is about us page, and it is really good. So if you have decided to make a kindergarten website, it is really going to be a very good catch for you. Now let us check the import status, and the main content imported, image import process all done, and I believe the import process is complete now. Let us take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all the plugins, and also with the demo content. And yes, it is here. We got a very wonderful website in this activity, and all elements has been imported successfully, and we got a wonderful website. Actually, it is a very good website, of course, and you have nothing to do except putting your original content. Rest things has been set. About us, let us check. And the theme also contains the admission section. It is really very good that it is having a thought of interaction for admissions as well. So how to apply tuition and also all such pages are here. And you can see the theme is loading very fast, and it is really a amazing theme for kindergarten schools. And this is the parent section. So we got all the contents in the demo content. It is really nice that we have to put very less effort in completing this website, and you will be happy to use this theme, of course. And I have no additional words to explain, as the screen is showing you everything. Book a visit and all such features are here. It is good. It is good, really good. And we have this website now. Since we have two home pages as well, so you can choose any out of two as per your choice and need. Both home pages has been given in the demo content. Now since we have successfully completed the installation, I'll show you the theme options and the customization options as well. So for this, I'll show you what additional available. This is Ventham. We have already used these features. This is dashboard and all, and no additional tab has been given, and I believe it can be controlled through the customize option. Let us check what is here. And yes, everything is here. So global styles can be handled from here, and site identity, you can upload the logo from here. Menus, footer can be handled. Page settings are here. Additional CSS and JS. So you don't need any additional feature. In fact, all elements has been given well on the page, and you can simply use Elementor page editor to edit the content, and now I'll show you how to edit the content. Let us assume we have to edit this home page, and I will rather recommend you to use a duplicator plugin for making a duplicate of at least home page, so that in case you made any mistake, you can restore the page. And click on edit with Elementor. Whatever page you want to edit, just open it and click on edit with Elementor. You shall be able to edit the content using the Elementor page builder, and it is loading up. And now it is here. So just click on the pencil icon. Whatever you want to edit, you will be able to control. Simple and easy. No programming skills is required. And just click on the portion. The element will be active in the left navigation, and it is more than simple, as you can check. So images can be changed like this, and all is fine. Just in case you want to edit an image or features, all is active. Okay, so we got a wonderful website in this activity, and this website is ready to go live. Just you need to put your original content. It is simple, easy and effective. So you might have some questions regarding this theme, and you are free to ask any question regarding this theme in the comment section of this video, and I am also going to give the link of my website where you can get this theme. Just click on the magenta color button on the listing page, for which I am giving the link. So click on magenta color button marked at get a Skole WordPress theme, and you will be able to complete your order for this theme. And you can also choose to have a pre-installed Skole WordPress theme on a very suitable hosting plan. So you can choose whatever you want. Everything is there. Just click on magenta color button. You shall be able to customize your order as well, and you can interact with me directly on the page. And page is having a comment section in the bottom side, and you can start a one-to-one discussion with me for getting support on this theme. I always used to reply the query of my visitors, so don't worry, we are here to support you. And just choose this theme and start working with this. You shall be happy, I am sure. And if you are a first time visitor of this channel, just please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon, so that you may remain updated with the latest theme, plugins and utilities. Thanks for watching.